constituted.
Yes.
Minister wa urangiri Eugene Wamalwa ekinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya urangiri ya bunge ya kĩbũrũri mũthenya wa Jumaine gũtarĩria ciĩgiĩ ũthuthuria wa gĩkuũ kĩa Agnes Wanjiru mĩaka 10 mĩhetũku ũrĩa ũrerĩkana oragirwo nĩ mũmbirarũ wa Ngeretha wa kambĩ ya mbirarũ icio iria ikoragwo na nyuki kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia. Wamalwa akiuga minista Murunawe wa urangiri wa bũrũri wa Ngeretha nĩeranĩire atĩ thirikari ya bũrũri ũcio nĩ kũnyitanĩra kĩhinyio na Kenya gũkinyanĩria kĩhoto kũrĩ Wanjiru, kũrĩ mwana wake, kũrĩ andũ a family yake na kũrĩ a Kenya.
The assurance that we want you to give us, because you sit in cabinet, we really want timelines in terms of how we are going to work with the UK government and the Kenya government to bring those culprits to justice.
That the British government is ready and will cooperate fully with the government of Kenya to ensure that the culprits are brought to book in accordance with the agreement that we had signed that expressly gives Kenya the jurisdiction to investigate and to prosecute any foreign forces that have violated our laws.
Ziri, the same seat you are sitting on, the British High Commissioner sat there. And she gave us the same assurance. And you know, it is 9 years. 9 years of assurance. I told you this thing happened in the 10th Parliament. Now, I don't think anybody wants assurance. Nobody is interested with assurance. People want to see the culprits brought to justice.
And as government, we are here before you to assure you that everything will be done to ensure that justice is done in this matter.
Abunge makienda kumenya nũ wahithanirie ũhoro wa njũragano ĩyo ĩrĩa ĩracokire kumbũranio thutha wa mĩaka 10 nĩ nyũmba cia mohoro.
The British government is being accused by the Labour Party for cover up. I know they can't cover up alone. Two people must have gone to bed together. Who are their counterparts here? If the police requested for witnesses, 9 witnesses to appear before them, the police was not granted. Why did the government not pursue that matter through the normal channels? The DNA, they asked for DNA on the suspects. Why did the government go quiet? Must you work through media, whether Kenyan or foreign media?
There have been many assurances. Maybe there has even been cover-up. Mine is to assure you, members, that there is no such cover-up. Probably there might have been a delay, and that we must own up.
Abunge ameba kamĩtĩ ĩyo rĩu marauga matikwamba gwĩkĩra kĩrore ũnyitanĩri wa Kenya na Ngeretha ũrĩa ũheaga mbirarũ cia Ngeretha rũtha rwa gũkorwo irĩ gũkũ Kenya o nginya rĩrĩa kĩhoto kĩa Wanjiru gĩkoneka.
We are trying to find out why the British cannot compensate this family, educate these children.
Until we have concrete evidence to suggest that the Kenya government is looking into this matter and the culprit actually being brought back to Kenya to face our criminal justice system, then there's a time now we can probably append our signatures.
That is why we are saying justice must be done in the case of Agnes Wanjiru. Indeed, justice has been delayed for Agnes Wanjiru and her young child, but it must not be denied. We must do everything to ensure, invoking the powers provided under the Defense Cooperation Agreement, to ensure that that is done.
Ona gũtuĩka Wanjiru oragirwo nĩ mũmbirarũ ũcio wa Ngeretha na kaingĩ mbirarũ macirithagio kũhetũkĩra magoti na mawatho ma kĩmbirarũ, ũiguithanĩrio wa Kenya na Ngeretha nĩ atĩ abithaa ũcio wa mbirarũ abatie gũcirithio kũhetũkĩra magoti ma mũingĩ ma Kenya, rĩrĩ thirikari ya Ngeretha itanyĩtwo kũheana mũrũgamo mũkindĩrĩku wayo wĩgiĩ ũthuthuria wa gĩkuũ gĩkĩ kĩa Agnes Wanjiru Jumatano ĩno na nyuki. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.